here's Aditi. Hope you all are safe and having an amazing day. So it's my new video. In this video, I'm gonna share a video that how to make anniversary cards for our grandparents. So first, I have taken the A4 size sheet and cut it like you can see it, and then I'm gonna paste the LOVE love in the heart shape, but you can also cut LOVE in the shape of letters. Then after keeping this, we have to paste this. So yeah, I have pasted the love letters. It looks like 3D when we open it. You can see it. It's looking much pretty. Okay, so then we will need a A4 size sheet, a red color paper. Obviously it's anniversary card, so we will need a red paper, and we will need 2 fans. Everybody knows how to make fans. Okay, after making fans, we have to paste it. Okay, we have to paste with Fevicol or glue stick. So yeah, I have pasted. It's look like a curtain. Okay, it's cool. Okay, so then we will need the card where we have pasted the love letters. Then we have to paste the card. You can see we have to paste the card inside the red card. Okay, so yeah, I have pasted. Wow, it's look pretty. So we have to decorate it more by pasting hearts on the front page and writing "Happy Anniversary, dear grandparents." Okay. I advise you that write with pencils first because it became mistakes and we have to erase it. So we can't erase with sketch pen. So write with the first pencil, then sketch pen. Okay. So where it is, we will do the first page with the I have cut the corners of white page. You can see it's the corner of white pages, and we have to cut this, and then we will paste this. You can see it's looking cool. So let's paste it. So yeah, I have pasted and it look cool. So after that we have to paste the hearts here, and then we have to write "Happy Anniversary, dear grandparents." Okay, write "Grandparents, dear grandparents, happy anniversary," and paste here something. Okay, so here we go. Wow, look at this heart. It's very very pretty, and you can see I've written with a pencil. You can write with good handwriting. Okay, make sure that you have good handwriting. Okay, so let's color it with sketch pens. So yay, I have colored it with sketch pens. Happy anniversary. So it looked cool and beautiful. Then we can also make little hearts on the corners. make a little only, not too big. Okay, after making little hearts, oh, I forget to write A properly. Okay, so decorate the second page. So, wait. You can see. Oh, it's so bright. You can see I have written Happy Anniversary dear parents, and I have also decorated the second page with the hearts and the 2 toffees. Please comment me that how you like my videos, and please share it also.